Namaste everyone. Welcome to Pusa Podcast. I am your host Shagun Saxena, a second year student here at IHM Pusa. And today we are joined by Deepthi, who is a first year student and secured All India Rank 1 in NCHM CTJE 2025. Please introduce yourself for the audience.
Hello everyone. My name is Deepthi and I'm from Haryana, and it's a pleasure to be here.
First of all, congratulations, Deepthi, for securing such a good rank.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can you tell us about the feelings that you had when you heard about the results?
Actually, I was very overwhelmed genuinely when I got to know that I secured this rank, and it was very surprising because I was not expecting this at all.
Okay, as we know that NCHM CT 2026 के dates आ गए हैं, so let's start with an overview कि अभी से what should an aspirant do to get a good rank and to get a place here at IHM Pusa?
It's very, like very common because you should be consistent. जो भी कर रहे हो, you should do it every day. It might sound very mundane to do it every single day, but this is the thing that will take you further because, like consistency is the key no matter what you do. And then that's all that matters, I guess.
Okay, so what was your routine like during your preparation? पूरे दिन में आपका schedule क्या होता था?
Okay, so सुबह उठने के बाद then having my breakfast and getting freshened up and all that, and then studying for either 1 hour or 2 hours, और उसमें PYQs जो you can get them from NTA site, but make sure you get all of them because in the site you can only get till 2020 papers. So make sure to get the further ones from online.
Okay.
And PYQs and then assignments, subjective assignments like अगर आज English किया, so next time it will be reasoning, next day it will be maths. So that's how it was in the morning, and then in the evening just some newspaper, and when I highlight some words I'll check up the meanings, their uses, and then when I had to go to the bed I'll just read up on some vocab words and then I'll just sleep.
All right, that was a very flexible routine. So coming to the references and the books that you used, आपके preparation के time में आपने क्या-क्या books refer करी? What were your sources?
Okay, as for me, मुझे लग रहा है कि मटेरियल इस बात पे डिपेंड कर रहा है जिस सेक्शन पे फोकस करना है. इफ़ यू वांट टू फोकस ऑन इंग्लिश एंड जीके, न्यूज़पेपर इज़ द बेस्ट सोर्स यू कैन गेट द नॉलेज फ्रॉम. एंड अगर मैथ्स करना है, सो आई लाइक कि you can get the maths that's taught from class 8 to 10th. They'll help you a lot with the basics. And if you want to talk about reasoning, you can get the material from like online sites. There are many.
Okay, coming to the newspapers, can you name a few newspapers that the students can use to refer during
Okay,
their preparation?
so there are many newspapers. That totally depends कि किस section पे focus करना है. If you want to focus on entertainment news, that's a totally different newspaper. If you want to focus on economics, that's totally different. For me, but I used for a general overview of the current affairs, I used Indian Express, and oftenly it was The Hindu as well.
अब आई थिंक जो सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन होता है हर एक एस्पिरेंट के दिमाग में कि कितने घंटे पढ़ना चाहिए. हाउ मेनी आवर्स डिड यू गिव इन योर जर्नी?
Okay, so it's a very subjective question. I would like to believe because अगर मैं कोई काम 2 घंटे में कर सकती हूँ, so there might be someone who can do it in just 1 hour. So it matters how focused you are when you're sitting. So sitting hours don't matter. The time that you're focused, that matters. So that is very subjective.
Apart from reading the books, apart from referring to different sources, what else did you do? What was different in your learning?
What I felt was unique in my journey is that there will be a day when you will feel like you are too bored to do that stuff. बहुत ज़्यादा repetitive हो गया काम. So that day also matters, and that's the day that actually matters the most, right? So at that day I used to be like I used to read books, I used to read comics, and that made my day very productive as well because books help you a lot. So that's how I spend my, that cheat day.
I think reading books is a good idea. It gives you a different outlook. So, अब एक बहुत important question again. Distractions. आज के time में we all have mobile phones, we all have social media. How do you stay away from distractions? What do you do different? And how can you stay focused to your studies?
From my perspective, it's not about कि distraction से कितना दूर रह सकते हो. It's about how you can balance your distractions with your priorities, right? So if I want to do this thing, so I have to do that no matter what happens. And if I want to enjoy, then I'll just enjoy without worrying about what I have to study the next time, right? So you have to balance them out. It's not like you can stay away from distractions at all. Everybody has their own, like I have, like book liking,
Books.
which I can't stay away from. So I'll just manage the time.
Now that you've achieved this milestone and All India Rank 1 आया है, you've spent almost a year in college. Do you think, looking back, it was all worth it? Sare mehnat, was it all worth it?
Totally, it was, because now that I'm here, it feels like it's very good here. अगर पहले देखे तो बहुत ज़्यादा रिपीटेटिव लगता था, लाइक यू हैव टू डू दैट सेम थिंग एवरी सिंगल डे एंड लाइक और कुछ भी नहीं करने के लिए. But then it is very fruitful. It came out to be very fruitful actually.
Coming to my last question, what advice would you like to give to the aspirants who will sit for the exam this year?
Okay, so my go-to word was be optimistic no matter what happens. Everything will turn out to be great. आज नहीं हो रहा तो कल definitely हो जाएगा. हो ज़रूर जाएगा. So that's the key, and always be consistent.
With this, we come to the end of our podcast. Thank you so much, Deepti, for giving us such beautiful advice. Like, share, and subscribe our channel, and stay tuned for more information like this. The link for NCHM CTJ examination 2026 is given in the description box, and the deadline has been extended to 25th of March, so make sure you enroll before that. Thank you.